Hello everyone. Today we are at Sulliya. If somebody would like to see that a dense forest at Sulliya, that is in Dakshina Kannada, I am located here. She is Ranjana. Both we are there here. Just see.
Hi.
You see, this is how dense forest is there here. Even though there is a cutting of the sand, but still there is a land above that. There is a beautiful trees are there. This is that is called that the tree is supari tree. Supari means betel nut tree, and here you can see how beautiful one falls. I will show you a small fall, but very beautiful fall. And see, these are the betel nut trees. Long betel nut tree and beautiful view here. See, the challenging is nature is challenging. See, even though to make the road they have cut so many areas of the land, but still the dense forest is there. See, wow. This goes to this Subramanya. Thank you.